Hello everybody, Mike from Joel's Hobby Tractor LLC. We just got done doing this nice Fleetline Oliver. It's a little 66, so it's a cute little tractor. And they're a flashy little tractor too, with all the bright stripes and stuff and the color combinations. It's one of my favorite looking Olivers. This one here is a Miller Road condition. Here we decided to put new side sheet metal on because it was cheaper to put new reproduction on than fix the old, because it takes a lot of labor to get these louvers nice and straight to look really nice and quality. As you can see, she got all new rubbers, all new hardware. And this one here had no fluid in, so that made the rims really nice. They were not too bad, like salt water makes them really rust pitted. We put new headlights on it. The seat, we rebuilt the seat. That was all equaled out like they usually are. The toolbox, we had to put a new one on in there too. She got new American-made gauges, new American-made wire harness. Other than that, that's about all we really did to the old girl. Oh, and we had to put a new clutch in. The clutch was a little growly. The bushing on the shaft, the input shaft, was pretty much yickled out, so we replaced that and put a new clutch in. So she should be ready to rock and roll again on the way home, hopefully a little bit here. If you got any more restoration inquiries, you can give us a call at 920-894-2134, or you can look at our YouTube channel, Joel's Hobby Tractor, and check out our Facebook. And then we also got a website, joelshobbytractor.com. Thanks.